AI won't replace great engineers, but it will redefine what makes one. Over the past 2 years, we've witnessed an incredible leap in AI coding capabilities. GitHub Copilot, Cursor, Claude Code, OpenAI Codex, Gemini CLI. Today, generating code is easier than ever, and that's exactly why writing code is becoming less of a competitive advantage. The real advantage is shifting elsewhere, from writing software to designing intelligent systems. The engineers creating the most value today aren't necessarily the ones writing the most code. They're the ones answering questions like, should this be a workflow or an autonomous agent? Where should AI make decisions, and where should humans stay in control? How should memory, context, and retrieval be designed? How do we evaluate AI outputs before they reach users? How do we build systems that are reliable, secure, and cost-efficient at scale? These aren't prompting problems, they're engineering problems. This shift is becoming increasingly clear across the industry. OpenAI emphasizes building agents around tools and workflows, not prompts alone. Anthropic describes agents as systems, not simply language models. Google's Agent Development Kit focuses on orchestration, tool integration, evaluation, and production deployment. Different companies, the same direction. AI is becoming a component of software architecture, not a replacement for it. That's why the role of software engineers is evolving. Less time writing boilerplate, more time designing architecture, less time implementing repetitive logic. More time defining systems, constraints, evaluation, and business outcomes. In other words, the future belongs to engineers who can design how humans and AI work together, not just engineers who can write code faster. The question is no longer, can AI generate code? The answer is already yes. The better question is, can your organization build AI-native products that people can actually trust? That is where the next competitive advantage will be built, and that's where AI engineering begins.